All right, so it's time for a fun stop. I mean, I see my done, by the way. This one is called Seek a Word. A word will appear on screen for the presenters, which would be we, to find in a maze. When you find the word, ring the bell. There is no bell to signal that you find the word after which another word will appear. So bring the something, come now. So after we have exhausted what? All 10 words, the presenter who finds the most. All right, put up the word.
Burn after reading.
What?
That's there.
We must find burn after reading. And then tomorrow this will go done. Run some music now so we don't bore the people.
Cheers.
You find it, Simmer?
No.
Run the music now, man. You don't find it, Sim? You're sure that it is in here somewhere, right?
We're still looking.
When you hear me say the show is soon done. I need to find after reading nor burn.
Just burn it.
All right, watch me now.
Found it?
Oh, so I'll find it now still.
Yeah, I think so, Harry. I think you're
Put
right.
up another one. Put up another one in the meantime.
Put up the next one.
How long we get to find it, by the way?
Okay, I find butterfly effect.
What's the next one?
Butterfly effect. Found that one.
We still look for burn after reading.
Go on to the next one now.
But me not look, so you have to tell me as well.
The next one is, what's the next one, guys? Centurion.
Are you sure burn after reading it and nothing? I'm still look for that. Where's the next one now?
Centurion.
No, sir. I think the cheesecake have me.
Wasn't this your thing now?
Usually I do well at this, but I'm not doing so well this morning. I don't find none. Next.
Harry Potter.
I don't find
it.
You find it?
Yes.
But I can't find one.
Next, Unstoppable.
Oh, I find burn after reading. Me just reach this so.
Unstoppable is the next one. Found it.
Me still there burn after reading.
Next.
You didn't find Harry Potter?
Yeah. Watchmen.
Maybe I show me can't spell. Turn up the music then a minute. Maybe I'll do better if I hear the music. Yeah. You find Watchmen?
No. Next. True Grit. Which is what we need right now.
It was a John Wayne movie.
Found it.
Where?
Definitely Baby.
You know, see, I just want me find so far.
Found it.
Where?
Next.
How you do? Singing cheesecake have me crazy.
Rescue Dawn.
You know, it's one I find.
You know it's 4 I 5 I 5.
When you make it down me. Rescue Dawn. Me need somebody to rescue me, you know. I find one single one. I don't even remember what else I'm looking for.
This is not an easy puzzle at all.
I just feel some of them really not here. You just say, oh, I find butterfly. Butterfly, what is the name?
Butterfly effect.
I find that.
I found that already though.
Yeah, but...
Yeah, you just...
And I find Centurion too.
You just peep on my paper.
No, I didn't actually.
You did.
Give me another one that I was looking for.
Definitely maybe.
Definitely maybe.
Finish?
Simone get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I get 3. I must look for Luciana too.